Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to remove desktop icon in Windows 11 without deleting them. I show you guys how to do it. First method, I show you guys how to remove all your desktop icons. To do this, right click on the desktop and select view and select show desktop icons, and now all your desktop icons will be removed. If you want to commit back, then you just need to right click on the desktop and select view and select show desktop icons, and the desktop icons will be reappear. Second method, I show you guys how to remove individual icon. To do this, you just need to right click on the application or program you want to remove and select properties. Select general tab and check mark hidden, and then select apply and OK. Now the icon is invisible guys, and now whenever you want to open that app, then you just need to go to search menu and type search that application and click on open and open the application. If you want to see the icon again, then you just need to go to search menu and type file explorer option, click on open it, select view tab, and you just need to select show hidden files, folders and drives and select apply, and now you can able to see the icon guys. Now just right click on the icon and select properties, select general tab and uncheck hidden and then select apply and OK. Now it's look like normal. In file explorer, you just need to select don't show hidden files and select apply and OK for save changes. And that's how you can remove desktop icons in Windows 11. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.